David. Welcome back to the channel. As always, man, do me a favor. Hey, hit that like button, hit that share button. I really appreciate it. As always, I appreciate you joining the channel and just spending a few minutes with me. I haven't been doing as many videos lately. I hope y'all don't mind. I'll be back soon. But I did want to come to you guys to let you know, give an update on the Robinhood portfolio. The Robinhood portfolio is the portfolio that I do show here on YouTube. It's not my main accounts, which I do have over at Fidelity, but it's a portfolio that we built up from scratch, and we're just watching it grow. We're watching it grow. We make some adjustments here and there, and we do it. Invest some dollars into it as well. So we're not just sitting there, right? It's growing due to the positions we have, and we do have some reoccurring investments we do back into the account. So just want to show you guys that you can grow a small portfolio, and it can become very prosperous over time. So that's what we're doing now. So without further ado, man, let's jump right into the Robinhood portfolio and see how it's been performing since the last update. So let's go here. And here we are. As you see here, we're sitting at $9,265.62. This is a live portfolio because it does have crypto in it. So you're going to see updates as we are talking. So it lets you know this is a real portfolio. So, but yeah, today we had a good day. It was up 1%. Let's take a look how we done over the last week. Up 2.76% over the last week. Over the last month, we're up 2.9%. And over the last 3 months, we're up 14%. Year to date, up 10%, almost 11%. Might as well say 11%. And over the last year, we're up basically 35%. So the portfolio has been doing well. As you see, we've crossed over the $9,000 mark. I think the last video we was around 8,800. So over the last few weeks, we've definitely grown, and we're excited and we're happy how the portfolio is performing. So to cross that $9,000 threshold, we're doing pretty well here. The next goal is to get to 9,500, and then after that is to get to 10,000. 10,000 will be a major accomplishment for this portfolio. So let's just see how our positions are doing. We'll start with our crypto here with Bitcoin. Just to run through quickly, Bitcoin is up. Our Bitcoin position is up 117% overall with an average cost of $53,222.92. And let's go back. Our Ethereum position is up 122%. With an average cost basis of $2,039.32. You see Ethereum is well over 4,500 now. Doge, we do have some Doge over here, and you see Doge. Our Doge position is up 63% with an average cost basis of 16 cents. Let's go Doge. Keep rolling. As we go down to our stock position, we'll start with ET. We have, let it come up here. Got me in the spin cycle. So we have 80.9 shares. We're up overall 20% on our position. Not bad. ET. Keep rolling. What else we got? I hate to make me go back. Go here. There we go. Let's go to VTI. VTI is one of those positions that we have on a reoccurring buy every week. And you see our VTI is up 24%, 24.86%, and average cost basis of $260.10. So VTI is doing really well. ETF, Vanguard Total Stock Markets, one of my favorite positions. Still trying to increase that position. QQQM has been doing quite well for us as well. You see, it's currently trading at $240.59. We have an average cost base of $181.90. We're up overall 32% on our QQQM position. We have just over 5 shares. We invested in weekly, small amount. I need to increase that. This position has been doing well, and it's one of the main reasons this portfolio has been growing over time. Actually, all of our stock positions has been doing well, and our crypto. So it's just one of those portfolios, man. If it just had more money in it, man, this thing will be rocking and rolling, which it already is, as you saw by the numbers at the beginning. Main Street Capital. This is a monthly paying dividend position. You see our average cost base is $44.52. Man, we're up 50% overall on this position. It's crazy. And you see we have a dividend pending this month of $5.20. And yeah, man, Maine has been one of those ones that's just been rocking and rolling for us, and we add whenever we can. But that Main Street Capital, I can't ask for a position that pays monthly to grow like it's been growing. So, that's a position that we're going to hold for quite a long time. GDXY, we haven't had this position for that long, just a couple of months, I believe. Overall, we're up 11% on the position. Average cost base of $14.81. You see it's trading at $16.45. So, in the short time we've had GDXY, it has been performing pretty well for us, just like every position in this portfolio. And I'm telling you, if I had the dollar amount in this portfolio invested in these same positions, it would probably be one of my better performing portfolios. Well, it already is percentage wise. It's up there. It just doesn't have the cash that some of the other portfolios have, but it's creeping up there. It's creeping up there now. This is starting to become a major player in my portfolios. And just because it's at Robinhood and not at Fidelity, doesn't mean that it's not important. But ET, VTI, QQQM, Main Street Capital, even the GDSY, those are some major players. And as long as crypto keeps growing, like this portfolio is going to keep chugging along, man. I'm excited to see where it's going to be a year from now. You see, over the last year, we're up 35%. And all time in this portfolio, all time is up 61%. So this portfolio is actually percentage-wise outperforming quite a few of my portfolios, to be honest with you. So I downplayed it at the beginning about it being one of the smaller portfolios, but percentage-wise, no, this thing is really rocking and rolling. So and this Robinhood portfolio, I didn't take serious at first because it's Robinhood, right? But when I started taking it serious and I locked in on the positions that I want to have in this portfolio, man, you just kind of keep investing, keep a plan going, and let it do what it's gonna do. And it's definitely been performing. So just want to give you guys an update on this Robinhood portfolio. We're crossed over the $9,000 mark. We're on our way to 9,500, and after the 9,500, we're going to go straight to 10,000. So as long as the market keep doing what it's doing, this portfolio is going to keep rocking out. So let me know, do you use the Robinhood platform? I have no problems with having a portfolio at Robinhood. I know some people have issues with the trading aspects of it, getting in and out of trades, for the day traders and stuff like that, limit orders, all that. But for just having a portfolio, man, Robinhood is just as convenient as any other portfolio that I have. So I have no complaints about that. So let me know what you guys think, man. Leave me some feedback. I really appreciate it. This is the update on the Robinhood portfolio. As always, man, do me a favor, man. Just hit that like button. It's free. Hit the share button. It's free. Subscribe to the channel. If you're not already subscribed, I really appreciate it. But until then, I will talk to you guys later.